Sa video natin today, ipapakita namin kung paano i-customize yung mobile version ng website mo without changing anything on the desktop layout. Hey guys, what's up? Ako si Ashley at kung na-check mo na yung site mo sa phone mo at napansin mong parang squeezed yung mga bagay-bagay, misaligned o medyo off lang, this tutorial is gonna make the whole process much easier. We're gonna go over why optimization matters, how Wix separates the desktop and mobile views, and the tools that you can use to clean your mobile layout so it feels intentional and easy to navigate. At sa dulo, share ko rin sa inyo yung honest thoughts ko kung tama ba yung Wix para sa responsive design, depende kung anong gusto mong i-build. So let's get into it. Unang-una, ano ba ang Wix? Wix is a website builder that lets you create and manage your site gamit yung simple drag and drop editor. Pili ka ng template, i-customize yung layout mo gamit yung text, images and galleries, forms and apps, lahat ng kailangan mo. Tapos, Wix nang bahala sa hosting, security, and update sa background. Hindi mo kailangan mag-install ng software or mag-setup ng sarili mong server. Lahat ng bagay nandun na sa Wix dashboard. Super simple lang. Ang platform ay gumagamit ng premium model, meaning you can build and publish a site for free on a Wix subdomain and then upgrade if you want. For features like connecting a custom domain, removing Wix branding, or unlocking advanced tools. Wix also includes an app market where you can add features like e-commerce, bookings, social feeds, marketing tools, at marami pang iba. But one of the biggest conveniences Wix offers and that we're gonna focus on today is the mobile editor. Kaya kung wala ka pang free Wix account, siguraduhin gamitin yung exclusive link namin sa description sa baba at pwede kang magsimula pag-click mo ng link. Kailangan mo lang ilagay yung email address mo and it'll prompt you to create a password. Hindi mo na kailangan ilagay yung credit card info mo ever. Libre lang talaga to. Pag nakapasok ka na, this is kind of what the dashboard looks like. Magsisimula muna tayo from scratch. So we're gonna go ahead and create a new site. We're gonna go ahead and skip all of this just for the tutorial. Pero syempre, pwede mo naman i-customize ng buo at ilagay lahat ng information na to. Alam ko nilalaktawan ko to pero sobrang makakatulong tong design sa website mo at sa pang cool na bagay tungkol sa Wix. You can say what you need and then it'll install these things. Kaya baka gusto mo mag-setup ng appointments, baka gusto mo magbenta ng memberships, o baka gusto mo ng blog, okay? So you can click all of this, add, and continue. And then it'll go ahead and take us to the dashboard. We're gonna go ahead and just skip the design site. Pipili lang tayo ng template kasi bibigyan ka ng ilang options para sa sites, pero pwede mo ring piliin ang pinaka-feel mo. So, ganito yung itsura niya, okay? Yung idadagdag natin tulad ng mga nabanggit, I'm just gonna skip this for now, okay? Kaya makikita mo dito, we've got the desktop and then all we have to do is go ahead and switch to mobile. At makikita natin kung anong itsura nito. Dito natin pwedeng i-move yung mga bagay-bagay kung gusto natin. Pwede rin natin i-hide yung isang section. So maybe we want to completely hide this whole section. Pwede mong i-click yung hide section at mawawala to. Pero hindi ito mawawala sa desktop. Kita mo, nandyan pa rin sa desktop. So Wix makes it super simple. At makikita mo rin dito kung paano yung menu sa top right. Pero automatic tong nagsiswitch sa mobile menu. Kung gusto mong i-preview, makikita mo kung anong itsura nito. Tulad na nabanggit ko, pwede mong i-adjust yung font kung gusto mo. Pwede mo rin i-adjust yung settings tulad ng color at i-enable yung vertical text. Pwede mong baguhin yung alignment kung mas maganda yon. If you need to undo anything, we can also do that. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng animation kung gusto mong mag-fade in. Kahit ano pa yan, ulitin ko, pwede mo rin i-hide, okay? Kaya again, sobrang simple to edit just on the mobile without actually affecting your desktop app. Ngayon, tignan natin yung mga pros and cons. Isa sa pinakamalaking advantage ng Wix Mobile Editor ay kung gaano to ka-intuitive. Hindi mo kailangan malaman ng tungkol sa breakpoints, CSS, or responsive design principles. Simple lang, i-drag and drop mo yung elements sa lugar nila, i-hide mo yung ayaw mo, tapos i-adjust yung spacing hanggang maging malinis ang itsura niya because the mobile version doesn't affect the desktop design. Sobrang dami mong flexibility para makapag-experiment at mag-refine without worrying about breaking anything. Makakasave ka rin ng time kasi automatic na ginawa ng Wix yung mobile view para sa'yo. Imbes na i-redesign mo yung site from scratch, magsimula ka sa mobile-friendly baseline at i-adjust mo lang yung mga kailangan ng improvement. Full width sections, responsive galleries, and built-in mobile menu options help your layout adapt well across devices. Pero syempre, may mga limitations din. Yung mobile editor, hindi ka pwedeng mag-add ng totally new elements na wala sa desktop version. You can hide items on mobile pero hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng mobile exclusive content blocks kung wala ka pa sa desktop. Yung ilang non-responsive elements kailangan ng adjustments or ibang design choices para gumana ng maayos. On smaller screens, performance can also be a factor. Yung mga sites na maraming large images or third-party apps pwedeng bumagal sa mobile at makaapekto to sa user experience. And while Wix gives you a lot of control visually, wala kang access sa advanced responsive tools tulad ng custom breakpoints or device-specific CSS, which may matter if you're building a more complex website, okay? Ngayon gusto ko lang i-touch ang iba't ibang plans and pricing options. Para aware ka, sa ngayon, pwede ka talaga makasave ng 50% sa ilang selected premium plans. Bilang side note lang, hindi to nandito forever, so just make sure you take advantage if it's something you're really serious about. So they've got a couple of options though, yung Lite, yung Core, ang Business at ang Business Elite. Yung Lite plan ay $17 kada buwan at kasama na dito yung Lite Marketing Suite, 2 collaborators at 2 gigabytes ng storage space. Tapos yung core plan, usually it's $29 pero may 50% off, kaya magiging $14.50 kada buwan. Kasama dito yung 5 collaborators, mas maraming storage space, yung updated marketing suite, you can accept payments, and then the basic e-commerce also with all these plans. Makakakuha ka rin na free domain for 1 year at walang Wix branding, of course, on all of the upgraded plans as well. Tapos meron silang business plan. And usually, ito ay $39 per month, pero sa ngayon, it's $19.50 per month. Included na yung 10 collaborators, 100 gigabytes storage space, standard marketing suite, at pwede kang tumanggap ng payments. Kasama na rin dito yung standard e-commerce plan. At panghuli yung Business Elite plan, karaniwan na $159 per month pero ngayon $79.50 per month. With this, you get 100 collaborators, unlimited storage, and the most advanced marketing suite. Kasama dito yung pinaka-advanced e-commerce, pati na yung advanced developer platform. So, what's cool is you can grow with it. Pwede mo rin buuin ang buong site mo completely for free. Lahat ng pinakita ko sa'yo ay nasa free plan lang. Hindi mo kailangan i-upgrade yung plan mo hanggang handa ka na tanggalin yung Wix branding at i-add yung custom domain. Now, whether you should rely on Wix's mobile editor depends on your goals. Kung gumagawa ka ng site para sa business mo, personal brand, or creative project at gusto mo ng mabilis and non-technical na paraan para maging polished ang desktop at mobile, Wix works really well. Yung kakayahan mong i-adjust yung spacing, i-move yung elements, at i-hide yung sections gives you more control than many beginner-friendly website builders. But if you're designing a large site, need advanced responsive controls, or plano mong scale into something na may custom development, baka sa huli gusto mo ng platform na nagbibigay ng malalim na control sa breakpoints and styling. But for beginners and small business owners, Wix strikes such a good balance between ease of use and customization. Ang nakaka-frustrate minsan ay yung paggugol ng oras sa pag-design ng desktop site mo, only to find out the mobile version feels crowded or just unbalanced and looks weird. Ang good news, inaalaw ka ng Wix na ayusin yung mobile view mo without rebuilding your site. Kung gusto mo mag-sign up sa free plan ng Wix, huwag kalimutan gamitin yung exclusive link namin sa description sa baba. Gusto ko lang din magitin na affiliate link sa mga to. Ibig sabihin, maaari kaming kumita ng commission without extra cost from you. Kaya kung pipiliin mo, gamitin ang links namin. Thank you so much in advance sa pagsuporta mo sa channel namin. This really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, at syempre mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba. Gusto naming makarinig mula sa inyo. Ang channel na to ay dedicated para tulungan ka buuin ang very first website mo gamit ang simple tools and easy steps. Maraming salamat sa panonood at magkikita tayo sa susunod na video.